As president, you come with only one person. This has come with the whole village.
Rotary Club n'ekitongole kiri omunsi yoona ekirimu abantu abahiireyo obwire bwabo obwenge hamwe n'essente zaabo okuyamba abantu okutunguura obutuura bwabo.
I take the pleasure to install the 41st president of the Rotary Club of Mbarara.
Aha mukoro ogu Vice Country Chairperson Apollo Mpumwize wa Rotary Club ayanjwire ba Governor ba Rotary Club kandi yasima abantu bono okwija.
Since we are in Uganda, in the absence of the governor, as the country chair, I'm here to represent her. So when you're looking at me today, you're looking at the district governor-elect. I want to request all the serving assistant governors to stand up. If you're a serving assistant governor from either district, I can see our own AG Herbert is already here. Herbert Resheshe from Yantonde, thank you. I think the others on their way.
Oli omuweezi wa Governor Herbert Resheshe asimire RCC wa Mbarara ahabwa emirimo ei bakozire omu bwangu hamwe n'abanya Rotary ahabwa okushashura gye kandi yasima abantu boona ahabwa okushagika Rotary Club.
I must first of all thank RC Mbarara for the great things they are doing in the community. May we please. In my time of office that I'm concluding very soon, I had never received a single call from the president requesting me to come and arbitrate in any conflict in this club.
Ismail Mitoma ubiro president wa Rotary Club Mbarara we omu bigambo bye asimira abantu boona ahabwa okukwatanisa omukora projects zaabo ezimwe by'amagara ebyokushomesa hamwe n'ebindi.
Together we have achieved remarkable milestones. We advanced our community service projects in maternal and child health, basic education and literacy, water, sanitation and hygiene, environment, disease prevention and treatment. We have been able to complete a global grant, a WASH project that we implemented in Ibanda district.
Let it go, like it so. But the photographer is the other side. Let it